Okay.
Hello friends, welcome to the third travel vlog of our trip to the port city of Visakhapatnam.
During early mornings, vehicles are not allowed on the beach road so that people can walk, jog, and cycle. That's a very thoughtful move by the government.
Once we spotted vehicles on the road, we started our 3-hour long drive to Borra Caves.
As we hit the main road, we noticed that the two inner lanes are dedicated to buses and ambulances. Fantastic idea to encourage people to take up public transport.
On the way uphill, there is a railway crossing. A rare sight amidst all the twisties that we came across. Borra Caves, the deepest caves in India, extending to a depth of 80 meters. The caves were discovered in 1807.
One hour time.
There is an interesting story behind the discovery of the caves. The legend goes like this. A cow that was grazing on the ground above the caves fell through a hole in the ground. The cowherd who was searching for the cow came across the caves. He found a stone inside the cave that resembled a lingam. He felt that Lord Shiva had protected his cow. The village folk who heard the story believed it and built a small temple outside the cave. People flocked to the temple in the cave to get a glimpse of the lingam.
120 steps, 150 feet height. Huh?
Interesting, isn't it? After climbing up and down for 200 meters, we were so tired and craving for food. Thankfully, we spotted a restaurant right near the cave entrance.
With our tummies full, we headed to the next destination on our agenda.